Think it's too late to start a garden in July? Think again. With record-breaking heat waves and climate extremes, it's easy to feel like the odds are stacked against us. But as gardeners, we know every challenge is an opportunity, and July is no exception. Even with temperatures soaring, this month offers a second chance to grow fresh, delicious food right in your own backyard. Today, I'll share 10 crops you can still plant now for a fast, bountiful harvest, plus practical tricks for any garden size. Let's get started. Bush beans are one of my absolute favorite crops to plant in July, and for good reason. If you're looking for a vegetable that's both easy to grow and incredibly rewarding, bush beans should be at the top of your list. These beans are perfect for gardeners of all skill levels, from beginners just starting out to seasoned pros looking to maximize their summer harvests. One of the best things about bush beans is how quickly they get started. They germinate rapidly in warm soil, often sprouting in just a few days. Bush beans absolutely love the heat of midsummer, making them ideal for July planting when other crops might struggle. But their benefits go beyond just speed and heat tolerance. They're also fantastic for your garden soil. As legumes, bush beans have the unique ability to fix nitrogen, enriching the soil and helping future crops thrive. Even when the temperatures soar and the sun beats down, bush beans remain resilient. The key to their success in hot weather is deep, consistent watering. Make sure to water at the base of the plants, soaking the soil thoroughly so that moisture reaches the roots. This encourages the beans to develop deep root systems, which helps them withstand heat waves and dry spells. By soaking the soil deeply, you're not just quenching the plant's thirst, you're also making them stronger and more resilient. Deep roots mean healthier plants that can access water even when the surface dries out, reducing stress and boosting yields. After watering, add a thick layer of mulch around your bush beans. Mulching is essential in the summer garden. It keeps the soil cool and moist, which beans love, and it also helps suppress weeds that compete for nutrients and water. Organic mulches like straw, shredded leaves, or grass clippings work especially well and will break down over time, further improving your soil. Once your bush beans start producing, you'll want to harvest them every couple of days. Regular picking encourages the plants to keep flowering and setting new pods, so you'll enjoy a steady supply of crisp, delicious beans. The more you pick, the more they produce, and nothing beats the taste of beans fresh from your own garden. Another great feature of bush beans is their compact size. They don't need trellises or much space, making them perfect for small gardens, raised beds, or even containers on a sunny patio or balcony. If you're short on space, bush beans are a fantastic way to grow a productive crop in a limited area. Bush beans have a quick turnaround, typically just 50 to 60 days from seed to harvest. That means you can plant them in July and still enjoy a bountiful harvest before the end of summer. Their fast growth makes them a great option for succession planting, or filling in gaps where earlier crops have finished. Whether you're an experienced gardener looking to boost your summer yields, or a beginner eager to try your hand at growing food, bush beans are a reliable, low-maintenance, and highly rewarding choice for July. They're forgiving of mistakes, bounce back quickly from setbacks, and offer a satisfying harvest in a short time. So why not give bush beans a try this summer? With their speed, resilience, and soil-boosting benefits, they're sure to become a favorite in your garden too. Happy planting! Pole beans are the skyscrapers of the summer garden. Their vining habit lets you train them up trellises or fences, maximizing harvest in a small footprint. Vertical growth also improves airflow, crucial for preventing diseases in hot, humid weather. Water deeply, mulch generously, and watch for stress like wilting or yellowing leaves. Harvest pods when young and tender to keep plants producing vigorously. Pole beans are prolific when given the right conditions. Grab some trellis materials, plant your seeds on yank ikra, and watch these summer climbers take off. Perfect for gardeners with limited space. Cucumbers are the ultimate heat lovers, and July is prime time to get them growing. Rapid growth is their superpower. Give them warmth, moisture, and they'll shoot up almost overnight. Water deeply and regularly. Their shallow roots dry out fast. Mulch keeps soil cool and fruits clean, while trellising saves space and improves air circulation. Harvest early and often for the best flavor and to keep plants productive. Look for firm, brightly colored fruits. Overripe cucumbers can turn bitter. July-planted cukes can keep you supplied well into early fall. If you want a crop that's guaranteed to deliver in the heat, zucchini should be at the top of your list. July planted zucchini can go from seed to harvest in as little as 45 days, thriving with regular watering and mulch. Space plants well and water deeply at the base. Large leaves can block rain from reaching roots. Harvest zucchini when they're 6 to 8 inches long for the best flavor. Regular picking encourages more growth, so check your plants daily. Impress your friends with a July zucchini patch. Summer squash thrives when planted in July, with varieties like yellow crookneck and patty pan maturing in just over a month. These robust plants bounce back from heat stress if watered well and shielded with mulch. Water deeply at the base and mulch to retain moisture and cool roots. Provide afternoon shade during extreme heat if needed. Harvest small for best flavor and to keep plants productive. Frequent picking means more squash for your kitchen all summer. Planting carrots in July sets you up for a sweet, flavorful autumn harvest. Carrots thrive when sown in warm weather and mature as days cool. Keep soil moist and loose for straight, healthy roots. Mulch lightly to preserve moisture and moderate soil temperature. Thin seedlings, early, for proper spacing. Carrots can withstand light frosts, and their flavor improves with a little chill. With patience, July sown carrots will reward you with crisp, sweet roots. Beets are a fantastic dual-purpose crop for July, giving you both vibrant roots and nutrient-dense greens. Plant in late July for sweeter, more tender roots as temperatures drop. Keep soil consistently moist and mulch to stabilize temperature. Thin seedlings for ample root space. Harvest greens throughout the season. Roots are best at golf ball to tennis ball size. Beets don't need much space and can be tucked between other crops. Enjoy a steady supply of tasty greens and sweet roots as autumn arrives. If you're craving quick results, radishes are the answer. These speedy growers can go from seed to harvest in as little as 3 weeks, perfect for late July planting. Radishes thrive in loose, moist soil and are resilient to summer heat, especially heat-tolerant varieties. Mulch lightly to keep soil cool and prevent roots from becoming pithy. Harvest promptly for the best flavor. Overgrown radishes get woody. The instant gratification of July radishes keeps your garden productive. Leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, and Swiss chard can still be sown in late July for a vibrant fall harvest. Start as days shorten and use shade cloth to protect seedlings from scorching sun. Sow seeds in the coolest part of the day and mulch lightly to keep the seedbed moist. Harvest outer leaves, often to encourage new growth. As nights cool, your greens will grow rapidly and stay tender. With a little planning, you'll enjoy fresh salads well into autumn. Herbs are one of the most cost-effective and rewarding crops you can grow in your garden, whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out. Not only do they add vibrant flavors to your meals, but they also bring beauty, fragrance, and even pollinators to your outdoor space. July is the perfect time to sow a wide variety of herbs, taking advantage of the warm soil and long days. Whether you have a large garden bed, a small raised planter, or even just a few pots on a sunny balcony, there's an herb for every space. Heat-loving herbs like basil and dill absolutely thrive in the summer sun. These fast-growing favorites love the warmth and will reward you with lush, aromatic leaves all season long. To keep your basil and dill plants bushy and productive, harvest the leaves regularly. Pinching off the tips encourages the plants to branch out, giving you even more flavorful foliage to enjoy. For cool weather herbs like cilantro and parsley, it's best to wait until late July or early August to sow your seeds. These herbs prefer cooler temperatures and will thrive as the days begin to shorten, providing a fresh harvest well into the fall. Don't forget to mulch around your herb plants. A layer of straw or shredded leaves helps conserve precious soil moisture during hot spells and keeps pesky weeds at bay, making your gardening chores a little easier. There's nothing quite like the taste of freshly picked herbs in your cooking. Not only do they elevate every meal with their vibrant flavors and aromas, but growing your own herbs can save you a surprising amount of money compared to buying those small, expensive bundles at the store. So don't let your herb patch sit empty this July. Even if you're just getting started, there's still plenty of time to plant and enjoy a bountiful harvest. With a little planning and care, you can fill your garden with an amazing array of flavors, colors, and scents, making your summer and fall meals truly unforgettable. July isn't the end of gardening, it's a fresh beginning. While many people think the peak of the gardening season has passed, July actually offers a unique opportunity to refresh your garden and set the stage for a productive late summer and fall. The days are long, the soil is warm, and with a little planning you can make the most of this vibrant time. With the right crops and a few simple strategies, you can turn summer's challenges into a bountiful harvest. The heat may seem daunting, but it actually encourages rapid growth for many vegetables. By choosing crops that love the warmth and giving them a little extra care, you'll be amazed at how much you can harvest, even as temperatures soar. Beans, cucumbers, squash, carrots, beets, leafy greens, and herbs all thrive when planted at the right time. July is perfect for sowing quick-growing varieties that will mature before the first frost. Don't forget about succession planting. By staggering your plantings every couple of weeks, you'll enjoy a steady supply of fresh produce well into autumn. Herbs like basil, cilantro, and dill also flourish in the summer heat, adding flavor and fragrance to your garden and kitchen. The secret for extreme summer: mulch deeply, water wisely, provide shade, and improve airflow. Mulching helps retain precious moisture and keeps roots cool, while watering early in the morning or late in the evening reduces evaporation. Shade cloth or row covers can protect tender plants from scorching sun, and spacing your plants properly ensures good airflow, reducing the risk of disease. These simple steps make a huge difference in plant health and productivity. These basics can transform even a small plot or a few containers into a thriving food oasis. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or just a sunny balcony, you can grow an impressive variety of vegetables and herbs. Container gardening is especially effective in July, as pots warm up quickly and can be moved to catch the best light or shade. Don't underestimate the power of a few well-tended containers. They can yield surprising amounts of fresh food. Even during the hottest summers, you can still grow fresh, healthy food at home. Harvesting your own vegetables is not only rewarding, but it also ensures you're eating the freshest, most nutritious produce possible. Involve your family or friends in the process. Gardening together creates lasting memories and teaches valuable skills. So don't wait. Grab some seeds and let July become your second chance for an amazing harvest. It's never too late to start, and every seed you plant now brings you closer to a garden full of color, flavor, and abundance. Take a moment to plan your next steps. Gather your supplies, and dive into the joys of midsummer gardening. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share with fellow gardeners. Your support helps us grow this community and spread the love of gardening to more people. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video. Remember, every day in the garden is a new opportunity. Enjoy the journey and celebrate your harvests, big or small.